Onion for beautiful hair. Did you know that onion can make your hair beautiful? Onion, a well-known vegetable, is also a secret beauty recipe that a few people know. In fact, onion juice can do wonders for the hair. Thinking how? Onion provides sulfur, which boosts the production of healthy skin cells. And healthy skin cells means a thick, long, shiny hair. With the use of onion, you can transform your dry scalp into a rich, nourished base for the hair to regrow. Today, many suffer from the premature graying of hair. Onion juice can help alleviate that as well. Wondering how to use onion? Here's how you can. Take an onion, grind it as smooth paste. Churn out the paste using a strainer. You will get a light pink watery onion juice. Collect the juice in a cup. Take a small piece of cotton to use it to apply on hair. Now divide your hair into different strands to apply onion juice evenly on the roots of hair. See that you cover your entire scalp. Let it dry for a while. Now wash it neatly with lukewarm water. Repeating this procedure twice a week helps attain smooth, thick hair. Try it and let us know the results in the comment section.